Good morning. It's blazing hot again, as usual. I'm staying for the hotel. Today we had a little bit like a lazy morning. But first, the souk is just around the corner. We're now at the entrance of the souk, and if you, as you see behind me, in the ceiling they have all small coins and they're weaving together, and it's like a few meters long. So it's a very impressive sight when you enter the souk. As you can see the city center behind me, and there's a lot of smog. It's, I think caused by a lot of cars, and the desert with the sand. And it's getting worse and worse. Since we came here the first day we had pretty good visibility, but it's getting worse and worse. We're now at the Sea View Fort, where you have a beautiful skyline of Manama. So it's really nice to see. And we're now going to look at the fort. So we drove off, and now we're going to have something to eat. But what I wanted to say about inside buildings, especially things like museums and that kind of things, you are not allowed to film inside. You can make pictures with your phone, and maybe when you do it right, just film a bit with your phone. But digital camera is not allowed. So yeah, that's a shame. When you are at the tourist location, as we just were, there's almost nobody. We had the whole place for ourselves and a security guy. So yeah, that's it. The place where we are now is a botanical garden. The structure was used for the Expo 2015, and they took it apart and they put it back here, and now it's a place for everybody to use. But it's really nice to see, because you have small exits there, and you can walk around in it. So, and everywhere, behind every corner, there's a surprise. All the plants that are based here in the botanical garden are plants that are growing in Bahrain, and they're all giving fruits. So it's just a little bit of shown from this is growing here. So we came back to the room, and we watched the F1 game, because that was the day. Today was the Grand Prix from Barcelona, and we're going out to eat, and there are no cameras allowed. So we see you tomorrow. Good morning. We're in the breakfast room again. I have a nice croissant and some fruit. And today we're gonna look at the Bahrain International Circuit. See if we can walk on the track or if it's open in the first place. Because on the website there is not that much information and the emails they don't reply on it. So let's see what happens today. So we're now on our way to BIC, the Bahrain International Circuit, and yeah, there was no information on the website if they're open, so it's a wild guess, and it's a big drive because it's not like in the city center, but we'll see. So we made it to Bahrain International Circuit. It is massive to see, but yeah, really nice. And now we're going to walk up the stand and see a bit of the track. We're at Bahrain International Circuit. As you can see behind me, this is the grandstand where we're standing on right now. And here you have to start filming. Bahrain International Track has so much track that they can make 6 different tracks, which the FIA has approved on 4 of them. So they could stay here for 4 weekends at one time and drive totally different races. Behind me you see a really iconic building of the Bahrain circuit. We're now in the car, but because outside is just ridiculously hot, and we just talked to some employees of the Bahrain International Circuit, and he said the track is closed because if they are now driving with cars, the track is going to be damaged and the tires of the car will melt. They can only use the track for 5 months. It's from 2nd week of October till April, May maybe, and yeah, that's it. Otherwise it's just too hot, so that's pretty crazy. We just went into the restaurant slash bar from the hotel, and it's almost at the top floor, so you have a really nice viewing, and yeah, they also have an outside area, and that's also a nice view. And yeah, that was it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Add some fruit and another dessert. Today we're gonna look at Barcelona. Also starts with a B. Bahrain. Good morning. Today.